Sweta, what's the most challenging material you've worked with? Have there been any almost impossible requests, say metallic silks or layered tulle for a rainy wedding day setting?
Indeed, certain materials present unique challenges. Metallic silks, for instance, are exquisite but notoriously difficult to handle. Their delicate nature requires a lot of care during cutting and sewing to prevent fraying and maintaining their luster. Layered tulle, especially for outdoor weddings in unpredictable weather, demands good structuring to ensure it retains its volume and elegance without becoming cumbersome. We've also encountered requests for sheer gowns with extensive hand embroidery. This requires a balance between the structure of the garment and the aesthetics. Each of these challenges pushes us to innovate and refine our techniques continually.
What role does hand embroidery or artisanal embellishment play in your manufacturing process? Do you still rely heavily on traditional techniques?
Hand embroidery is integral to our design philosophy. We deeply value traditional techniques such as Zardozi and Aari, which bring a rich heritage and exquisite craftsmanship to our gowns. These methods allow for intricate detailing and personalization that machines simply can't replicate. Incorporating these artisanal embellishments not only adds depth and texture to our designs, but also supports the preservation of these age-old crafts. Our artisans soak each piece with a level of detail and care that transforms a gown into a work of art.
Finesse couture gowns often feature intricate back designs. From a structural point of view, how do you ensure elegance without compromising support?
Designing gowns with open or intricate back details require a harmonious blend of aesthetics and engineering. We employ techniques such as boning, corsetry, and the use of illusion fabrics to provide support while maintaining the desired visual effect. For instance, sheer panels can offer the appearance of a backless design while discreetly maintaining support. Additionally, we pay close attention to the placement and finishes of seams and the choice of materials to ensure that the gown remains comfortable and secure throughout the event. It is a meticulous process, but one that ensures our brides feel confident and radiant on their special day.
Thank you, Sweta, for sharing these insights into the craftsmanship and innovation behind Finesse Couture's masterpieces.